I want to be a big teddy bear. Welcome back to another Celebrity Sweets. I'm Ethan, and recently Selena Gomez, J Balvin, Blanco, and Tainy, I don't know, dropped their new song, I Can't Get Enough, and I can't get enough of this song. Now, of all the pictures I've seen of this, the one that stands out to me is when they're all kind of on the bed, and there's that big teddy bear right there. So today we are going to be making a teddy bear inspired treat inspired by I Can't Get Enough. They're going to be coconut macaroons that we're going to just add some ears to look like a little fuzzy teddy bear. And the ingredients for this recipe are 1 cup of sweetened coconut flakes, 1 cup sweetened condensed milk, 1 large egg, a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and some white candy melts. The first thing we want to do in making these coconut macaroons, and they are macaroons, not macarons. Those are like the French things. These are macaroons. I think it's 2 O's. Anyways, the first thing we want to do is combine our coconut and sweetened condensed milk into a large bowl. I could eat just this for the rest of my life. Next, add in your egg. You're only going to need the whites. Finish off your macaroons by adding in your vanilla extract. Oh, and I'm using a clear vanilla extract because we want these to be as white as possible. And sometimes when you add like a brown vanilla extract, it's just going to take away from that vibrancy, but it's no biggie. And salt. So we've prepared our macaroon batter, and now we're going to place them onto our cookie sheet. I've lined it with parchment paper. And this recipe makes about 6 to 12 mini macaroons, and that's what we're going to make today. I'm just going to take a tablespoon, scoop out the coconut macaroon mixture, and place it on our cookie sheet. Once you've scooped out your coconut macaroon mixture, now I want to pop them into the oven at 325 minutes for 20 to 25 minutes. Now, when they bake, I'm also going to place a cookie sheet on the rack above. This is just going to help to make sure that they don't get so brown, but are cooked. Like, the heat rays will like bounce off this and won't go to the macaroons, so they'll still stay white. Our mini macaroons are out of the oven, and I've given them a little bit of time to cool. You can see that they have not completely browned, which is amazing. That's just what we want. We don't want to see all those like dark spots because then that doesn't give that like teddy bear feel. Now, just like this one over here, we're going to add on our candy melts. I've cut them in half, and we're going to add them as little ears. And here we have them, our I Can't Get Enough inspired mini macaroons that we made today to look like the little teddy bear, the cozy little guy. These are a super simple treat. Again, you can duplicate the recipe if you want to make bigger teddy bears. And then we just added a little bit of candy melts on top to complete the look. If you happen to make this, please share it with me on Instagram or Twitter. And if you have any other requests for another Celebrity Sweets, please leave it down in the comments below. Also, don't forget to share this video with someone who likes this song, coconut macaroons, or anything you saw in this video. Until next time, savor life and make it sweet. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, let me know by hitting that like button down below. And while you're at it, subscribe. You can do that by clicking this cute little donut right here. If you're looking for more content, up here's my latest video where we made some 7 rings inspired parfaits. And down here is what YouTube thinks you should watch. That's all for today. I will see you guys this Thursday.